Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any factory oils and dirt so seasoning bonds. Rinse the stainless steel Kadai with hot water and mild soap. Scrub stubborn spots. Once done, dry it fully with a towel or place on low heat until all moisture evaporates, because water prevents proper oil adhesion. Make sure you have a neutral oil like canola or grapeseed, a folded paper towel, and tongs at the ready before moving to the next step. Now you'll build the protective layer by applying thin oil coats and heating. Use 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of oil and rub evenly with a towel so there's no pooling. Pooling creates sticky spots. Place the Kadai on medium heat and let the oil heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until it just starts to smoke lightly. This polymerizes the oil to form a bond. Once cooled slightly, wipe excess oil and repeat 2 or 3 times to build durable layers. Finish by letting the final layer cool completely. This locks the seasoning. You should cook gentle foods like scrambled eggs for the first 3 uses to strengthen the surface without aggressive scrubbing. If you see sticky or uneven spots, don't panic. Repeat thin oil application and heat cycles rather than using more oil at once. For long-term care, always dry fully and rub a thin coat of oil before storing. If rust appears, scrub, dry, and reseason that area right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.